In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find winning products for dropshipping. Now, finding winning products for dropshipping requires staying ahead of trends, researching effectively, and utilising the right tools. So I'm going to be giving you my 4-step strategy to help you find your first winning product. And the first step is market research. Now, you can use multiple different tools to try to identify trending topics and also products gaining traction. One of the tools you can use to check recent trends is Google Trends. From here, we can go to Trending Now. We can put this to whatever country we want, and we can see both daily search trends and real-time search trends. And from here, we can look through this and try to find some sort of trend that we can capitalize on by selling a product. Now, you can also spot trends on sites like TikTok's Creative Center, because this will show you all the top ads that are currently on TikTok, and this will help give you an idea to see what's currently performing well. When we're doing our market research to try to find a winning product, we want to look for one of these 3 things. It can either be a trend-based product, which means it's based off something that's currently trending, which is a great way to get some short-term sales. The second thing is it could be a seasonal or event-based product. So as you can see here, I've just typed in Christmas, because a seasonal product will basically only be popular around a certain time, such as Christmas. And these products can also be good, but just like last time, it is also playing on a short-term trend, so it's not something that's going to sell well throughout the whole year. So that means to find a product that we can sell throughout the whole year, it needs to be a problem-solving product. You may have seen these massage guns before, and they are a perfect example of a problem-solving product. It's obviously not going to be a winning product now because it's really oversaturated, but something like this where it solves people's problems for a pretty cheap price is definitely going to be something that appeals to a lot of people. So now that we've completed market research, we should have some sort of product in mind which could potentially be a winning product. But now we move on to product validation, which will actually test to see if our product is any good. And one of the ways to check this is by using AliExpress and just looking in the niche in which you're selling. So let's just say I was selling some pet products. I could type pets up in the search bar and then sort this by the most orders. And as we can see here, this has over 50,000 sold, which tells us people are buying a lot of these and it could be a good product. So if you are doing it via this method, you want to look for products with a high rating, positive reviews, and constant sales volumes, as this will tell us they are constantly selling and there is a demand for this select product. So as you can see, I've just picked this cat comb here, and this has over 10,000 sales, and as you can see, there's almost 10,000 reviews, and it's reviewed at 4.8 stars. So this tells us this could be a pretty good product. From there, what I'd do is go to some sort of ad spy website such as PP Ads. And what we can do is search for that product and look for any ads related to that product in which we're trying to sell. And what we want to look out for is ads that are having tons of impressions and also are very popular. Because if they've got tons of impressions, that means someone is paying for advertisement. And if someone's doing that, that means the product is selling. So that is a good sign that tells us it could be a winning product. We also want to take note of any ad creatives that do work, because when we go on to test this product, we can try replicate their video. And if we run that ad and we don't get sales, that's a pretty good indicator that people aren't really interested in it. I'll also make sure to leave a link at the top of the description if you want to try this website out for yourself. So now we can move on to product analysis. And this basically involves making sure we are going to make sufficient profit, checking out the competition, as well as choosing a supplier with fast and reliable shipping. So this isn't the exact same product that I found earlier, but we can see a similar product here selling for around £15. And since we'll be able to get the same product on AliExpress for around £1 to £2, here it is here, that means that we're left with a healthy margin, because we're aiming for at least a 30% profit margin. From there, I'd recommend that you utilise some tools such as Ali Hunter, because this tool can actually see how many sales a certain website is getting, which means we can go to competitors' websites like this, and we can run the extension to see how many sales they are getting a day. From there, we can work out if it's worth us selling this product based off the sales our competitors are getting. And next up, we want to choose a supplier. So we can either pick a supplier off AliExpress and try to find the best one, or if you have some connections within the dropshipping space, you might be able to find an agent. And an agent basically works in China, and they negotiate with the Chinese suppliers to try and get the price down, as well as making sure that they can get fast delivery. And if you are able to do this, it is going to be more beneficial for your dropshipping company, as people don't want to wait up to 2 weeks for an order. So once we've completed all that, we should have a product that we've validated and analysed to make sure it does meet our criteria. And that means we can actually start testing our product. I'd recommend that you upload it to a general store like this just to test it out. And a general store basically lists a lot of products within the same niche just to test them out. So instead of having a store with just one product on it at a time, you could do something like this where you have a whole bunch of cat products that you're testing all at the same time. From there, you can find out what's selling well and which ad creatives are doing the best, And you can remove all the products from your site that aren't working, and you can go and focus more on the products that are selling well. And once you've done that and found a product that is selling well, you've successfully found a winning product. You then of course have to learn how to scale effectively if you haven't already done it. And from there, if your store ever dies out, you can just copy the exact same process to find a winning product again, and you can continue printing money. So this has been my video showing you how to find winning products for dropshipping. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.